is Bella, and I'll be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, you need 2 cookie sheets pan. Then you'll need 2 bowls, one for wet ingredients and one for dry. You'll need a whisk, a cookie scooper, 2 eggs, 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 sticks of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a wooden spoon or electric mixer, and a timer. So first you need to set the oven for 375. While that's going, you need to add all the dry ingredients up. First, you take your 2 1/4 cups of flour and dump it in. Then you take your 3/4 cups of sugar and dump that in. Then you take your 3/4 cup of brown sugar and dump that in. Then you take your 1 teaspoon of salt and your 1 teaspoon of baking soda and dump that in. Then you can use a wooden spoon. It takes a lot longer, but if you don't have an electric mixer, you can use that. Or if you have an electric mixer, just set it on one. And mix it all up. Then you take your bowl for wet ingredients. You take your 2 sticks of butter and put that in. You might need to get a spoon. Make sure your butter is softened before you start. Then you need your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you take your 2 eggs and crack those. Try not to get any shell on them. You take your whisk and whisk these up. Then you dump that in. Then if you got any egg on your hand, you need to wash your hands. Then you take your electric mixer, or if you don't have an electric mixer, you take your wooden spoon and mix it all up. After you mix that up, you can dump it in with your dry ingredients. If it doesn't come out easy, you can use your wooden spoon. Then you can take your wooden spoon, or if you have an electric mixer, you can take your electric mixer and mix it all up, still on setting 1. Then you take your 2 cups of chocolate chips. And then mix those in. It should look like this when you're done. Take a cookie sheet and your cookie scooper and just put it down. I usually do 3 rows of 4 in each row. Now you're ready to put them in the oven. Now you set the timer for 9 minutes. And while you're waiting for your cookies to bake, you can eat your cookie dough. Or share with your little brother. Make sure you let them cool down before you eat them. They're super hot. I bet you guys' cookies will turn out amazing. Thank you.